video. Today I will be making, we will be making a
grocery.
So the materials you will be needing are colors.
In a bag. In a baggie.
And some stuffing. Here's some of the recent squishies that we have. Well, not recent, but some bag squishies that we have made. This is supposed to be a panda bun, but the face is rubbing off. There's one.
That face haven't come off.
Yep. And this face doesn't come off at all.
This face doesn't come off at all.
And here's another bag squishy. This little paper squishy.
You already
chips.
showed him that.
No, it was on the other video. Because remember, it didn't work. Okay, so now, scoot back a little bit so you don't fall. So, let's just start. Wait, and you need stuffing. So, we'll be back when we got other stuffing.
Hey guys.
We got some more stuffing. Okay.
Got some more stuffing.
So, now that we have this stuffing, that's from Pillow. Just set this to the side. Yeah. So, now we're gonna begin coloring a face. What face should we color? Ooh, should we color like a little heart on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, we're gonna color a blue heart or a
blue
rainbow heart?
Rainbow heart.
Okay, so you guys, we're gonna color a rainbow heart on it. I have to use this little box as a little placemat. Oh no, I don't. I can use this little thing because we're gonna make a paper squishy. So that's why we have this paper up here. We might not get to it on this video, but go check out the next video. It will definitely for sure be in there. So that is a little bit too flappy. It's a little bit too flappy to place, so I just use this book. I have a whole bunch of notes in it because I like reading. So we're just gonna color a rainbow heart on it. So yeah. And we'll be back after we're done coloring the rainbow heart on it. So you guys, I messed up a little bit. The line was going to be down here, but then I decided to have the line up here. So I'm just going to color. Hold on, wait a second. I'm just going to color over it with the blue. Now the time for the purple. Okay, so you guys, this is the colors. So we're finally done. I had to use this book because the book was a little bit too tiny. So, oops, sorry.
Don't sit in my lap.
Okay, here. So he was just playing with that squishy. Can I see that stuff in the thunder? Okay, so now it's time to stuff it, you guys. Ooh, okay. It looks like clear. Ouch. Okay, so let's stuff it. Bookie, ready to stuff it?
Yeah.
You want to put the stuff in it? Here, hold on. Let me put this stuff in the corners. So I'm going to open up the bag. Wait! Did y'all really think we was about to really stuff it yet? We got to put the tape on the edges, on the heart. So, to keep the face all sealed, because that's how the other face fell off. So, I just literally poked a hole in there with my nail. And I just got my nails trimmed by the thing, by the little doctor.
Baggy bag.
Okay, so I'll be right back after I'm done taping over it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We put tape over it. So now it's time to stuff.
Now it's time to stuff it.
Okay, so I'm going to put it in the corners and then he's going to fill up the rest. And you always want to put it in the corners too. Just making sure you do. Just if you don't. Just make sure you do.
Can I do it too?
Yeah, I'll just pull out all the stuffing for. Whoa, you guys, I don't know if this will be enough stuffing. It's such tiny bit of stuffing. I knew I needed to go to the Dollar Tree to get some more full stuffing. I just knew it. Because I was like, I don't think I have a lot of pillow stuffing. Because I don't know if it's enough. Hopefully it is enough. I'm trying to get the rest of it off this. Hopefully it's enough, you guys.
Look.
Because I'm not supposed to make that
Look,
paper squishy
Kiki.
after.
It's glowing in the dark.
It's glowing in the dark.
Yeah.
Why you push it like that? Okay, here. Here, I'll hold it open. And you just put this in there. Okay, you guys, this is not enough pillow stuffing. Oh, it's a tiny bit more right here. But, it's not enough pillow stuffing. I think where all the pillow stuffing is right here. So, I'm just going to have to remake this. So, yeah, here. Open this up. Put this in there. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was, a little
That
bit.
was great.
That's not enough still, so we're gonna put some more. And then he's just gonna shove it in
Oh.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to get the pillow stuffing. That's down here. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Got
Okay. Here. Put this in after you're done with that.
I put
Push it
all
down a
this
little
stuff
bit
in
more.
there.
There you go. And you guys, I forgot to say that you're gonna need like something pointy, because if you don't use something pointy, it's just gonna pop open, and you don't want it to pop open. Honestly, I don't. If you guys want to make it as like a toy or something, I don't know, like make it as a toy or something like that, then you can definitely have it pop open and stuff like that. And don't do this part. The stuffing sticking up right here. Okay, so now that we have it like this, oops, the heart is a little bit crooked, but yeah.
Let's make
So now that
another
we have,
squishy.
hold on, wait a second. Now that we have this, like this, we're gonna get a tack, and we're just gonna start poking some holes in it. So let me get a tack.
I'm going to start poking it. You're going to put a tag.
Okay, so you guys, I'll be right back. I have to find it. Okay, so you guys, I don't have a tack, but
Hey guys.
I have a nail. It's pretty sharp. I'm gonna let him poke a hole in the back. But be careful with the nail. The other way. Other way. Other way. Okay. Okay, so you guys, he poked a hole in the back. See? He just left it in there, but yeah. Now I'm just gonna pull it out. And then I'm gonna poke one. Then he's gonna poke another one. I mean, two more. Look like one right there, yeah. Now take it out. Now poke another one. And now take it out. Okay, let me see. So now we have 4 holes in the back.
We got 4 holes in the back.
Look how slow rising this is gonna be. It take a little while for it to rise back. See you guys. The less holes you poke, I only poke 4.
I only poke 5.
No, you don't. You only poke 3. But what's it
I
called?
poke 3.
But we poke 4,
I poke 3.
and I poked 1, so that equals 4. So 3 plus
I'll
1 equals
take-
4.
I'll-
And this is when
I'll
so rising the
poke.
less holes. Like you can even poke 1 hole, but be careful because it might be hard to like squish if you have your fingers over the holes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Do all that stuff that you need to do. And peace. Okay, now really this time, peace.